Hi, so today I am going to discuss this problem 3133 minimum array end. So what is the problem? You are given two integers n and x. You have to construct an array of positive integers nums of size n, where for every 0 to n minus 1, okay, nums I plus 1 is greater than nums I. As a result, the bitwise AND operation between all elements of nums is x. Return minimum possible value of nums n minus 1. Okay, so in n दिया रहेगा x दिया रहेगा, right? So I have to create an array of size n. Okay, and what is the condition that nums I will be less than nums I plus 1. Okay, so if the value of this index is 1, then the next index will be 1, not only be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, and also there is a condition that bitwise AND operation of between all the elements, like array of 0 and array of 1 and array of 2, in this way array of n minus 1, it will be x, right? So I have to find out the minimum possible value of nums n minus 1. So what is the minimum value of last index, right? N minus 1. So one thing is that, like, first I have to understand, like, and properties of AND operation, right? So suppose we have given that final AND value will be x. So suppose x is 101, x is equal to 101 bitwise. Okay, so in bit representation, so all the this zeroth bit is 1, so all for all the elements of array, zeroth bit should be 1, 1, 1, 1, because if one of them is become 0, so the end value will be 0, right? So it is sure that starting like zeroth bit will be 1 for all the elements. Again, for this is not sure, like maybe present that all are 0, n minus 1 are 1 and 1 is 0, 1 bit is 0, so it may possible, like we are not sure about 0. But for this situation again, all all element for the 0 first to second bit will be always 1, right? So in this way I can decide that if I take the starting value as less than x, suppose x minus 1, so if I x with x minus 1, if we do any AND operation with other elements, suppose y or z, it will not give the x, because x for x minus 1 set bit will be different than x, right? So if I do any AND operation of x minus 1, that will not be possible to generate the AND value as x. So starting value will be always x, right? So I have to generate in this way, like x, then suppose x plus 1 or x plus 2, we don't know. I have to generate on this way. And another is that, suppose this is the 10101. Okay, this is our x, and this is our current starting value. So what will be the next value? If I change this bit 10111, right? This will be our next greater than value, which if I do AND operation here, what will be the value? 1, here it is 0101, right? So this is again x, so it's okay if we take this value. So we just swipe this value, flip this value, so it will be our, if this is our first value, then this is our next second. Again, if I flip this value, so what will be this 1 1, then again same, 101. So we just flip this bit. So this will be our third, and what will be the third, fourth greater number? This will be our 1 1. So again, what will be the, this will take 1 1. So in this way we can generate 4, right? Next data element. So actually you can check that in here actually it's actually 0. this is actually 1. Like 1 means if we discard all, if we don't take these bits, actually set bits, suppose this is 0 0 0 0, then 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? So here it is 0 0 0 1, okay, 0 1, then 1 0, then 1 1. Okay, so somehow we have to find out the uh, g, 0 index of all the 0th bit, right? Suppose we found this index like 0 1 2 3 4, so 1 and 3 bits are 0. So we can generate the next element by using those bit actually, and other will be same as x, right? Because we can't change the bits of x, right? Otherwise the end operation, final end operation will be different. So that's why I will check this, like if I could go to the code, then it will be easy more. Like first I am going to traverse the x. Okay, so first I will have to find the index of all 0. Like, so if I found x I and n 1 greater than is equal to 1, then it's continue, else it is 0. So store the index. Here it will be index was suppose 0 1 1 and 3. Okay, so in this way it will store 1 and 3, okay, in vector v. And for, because the for n or something like this, the value can be greater than 10 to the power 8, so this is long, so that's why I'm creating for others bits also, like 31 and 15, all are will be stored as in v, because in integer range is maximum 31 bit. So an rest will be, index will be 0 automatically, rest bit will be 0 automatically, so I will just store the bit. Okay, and start from n minus 1. Why? Because starting index we always found out that starting value will be always x. This will be the minimum value, array 0. So that's why if there is n elements, so we already created one elements as x, so rest element will be n minus 1, so I have to generate n minus 1 element, right? That's why I'm storing n minus 1. And what is the size of v? So okay, so now I am going to create 0 0 0 1 1 0 in this way, right? So I am traversing the m means traversing the indexes of this 1 and 3 and all other those, okay? And check, like I have to create n minus 1 element, so actually 0 1 2 3, right? For this case, suppose n is equal to this is actually first 1 2 3 4, so we have to generate n is equal to 4, but we have already created x, so we have to generate actually rest element, we have to create n minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 means 1 1, right? 3 means 1 1, so we have to set those bit as 1, right? For k is equal to 3, right? K is equal to 3, so I am checking 3, uh, right shift, I is equal to 0, so 3 and 1 is equal to 1, yes, it's 1. So take the first index means here it is 1, so 1 index take, and so I flip the bit 1, flip v of I means 1 index I will get, or it is 0 was present, I just flip the bit and go to the next 3, right shift, like suppose 2 or 1 1 1, so if it 1 again 1, so it will 1, so next index is available 3, so 3 will be set, 1 is equal to 3, right? And final answer will be right, x will be always present, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, yes. and this bit was not present. So first I will flip this bit, right? This is our first index, and then this also flipped. So this is our answer. This will be our third element. Third element means fourth element. Okay, because we have already generated x. So what will the time velocity of this? This will be big of 31. This will again 30. This will be constant. So again this will be m means this will be again constant maximum 30 or 60. Okay. So time velocity will be big of 1, right? I think got it. Thank you.